Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be solving a real interview question involving alerts, slice property and all the property available with the string. This video is a follow up of the previous video we had. So let's get into it. So the question is create a small JavaScript program that uses prompt to ask the user for their full name, check the length of the name, convert the name into uppercase and lowercase, use slice to extract the first three characters of the name, and finally use alert to display all the results back to the user in a clean sheet. So following up from the previous video where we learned about prompts and alerts and some property in string, we can do this task. So what are we going to do first of all? So we could do let full name, let's call it full name equals to the prompt. So we want to prompt the user, enter your name. Good. We've prompted them and we've saved what we prompted them inside this variable called new name. So we want to check the length of what they are going to put. So we can create an additional variable because we'll be displaying everything out using alert. You can call it length of name, and the method that we can use is with length. So full name dot length. So remember, this one will give us a number. Then we're told to convert the name into lower and uppercase. So let's upper. So uppercase, that's the capital letter. Then you call the variable that has the value full name dot to uppercase. We'll call the we'll do the same thing for the smaller case, lower. We call it lower. Then full name equals to lower. Then we'll call it. So we are done with that. So the next task is we should slice the first three characters. So let's call it let first three. We assign it to the full name. Yeah, full name. Let's call the full name dot. We call the method called slice, and since we are asked to provide the first three, remember the index starts from position 1 to get the position 0. To get the first value it will be 0, so to get the third will be 3. Since the third figure will be we have the index number of 2. Remember, slice will not include the third index, so it will take it before the third index, which is 2. So I think that will be that. So to display it, finally use alerts. this alert to what? They say use alert to display all results back to the user in a clean message. So how are we going to use it to display everything in a clean message? So I want to do this, then the string hello. So we use concatenation with plus what's the full name. So we are asked to provide all the full name. Then after this we add additional plus to add it. Then we move to the next line. It will work. So full name is this. We can just put your your details are as follows. So let's put a new line character here. A new line character. This backward slash then n. So it's a new line character. Then we'll add plus here. Then what do we provide now? The first thing is we provided this name, the length. You can see length so this one should also be in a new line character. Then length, the length of name. So we should not even display it as length of name. Like, we can just put length just to plus. What's the length? What do we use here? The variable name is what? Length of name. Good. So we can plus again. Remember, plus when you plus two strings together is that you are adding them, like adding them together, making them side by side together. So that's what it means. So this next one will be, we'll put the next one should be lower. Okay, uppercase, uppercase of name, uppercase of name. Good. So we can plus it. The variable is upper, right? Use upper. Good. So we can plus it again. Remember the new line character. So we don't need to separate it from here. So it's just a new line. It's not necessary. Then what value is remaining? Lowercase. So we can as well as just copy this and just do some minor adjustment. So this one should be lowercase. Lower. So what's next is remaining? The slides. Okay. Another new character. Backward slash n. Then first three. First three. First three. First three character plus what? Plus the variable name is first three. First three. So I will show you a quick trick. So I can click on this. So if I click on it, it should highlight the other one. You can see it's highlighting it. That means they are matching. Click on this. So it's telling me the lowercase is actually matching. It's showing me the possible good length. So I'm using it to check if I made a mistake in the spelling. So I don't think I made any mistake in the spelling. So now I believe I can run my code now. So I'll run it. Let me give it a name called Daniel. So wow. He said, "Hello Daniel. Your details are as follows. Length is 6. Upper upper uppercase." Okay, this English is wrong, so I can just go over there and correct it. So but you can see the logic that everything actually worked well, and that is the main purpose of this course, to just create the distance. So upper I can just put name in uppercase, so it should be name in uppercase, name in uppercase, right? This should also, the next one should also be name in lowercase, name name in lowercase, the first three characters. You can see this is actually a interview question which you can be asked. So now kudos to you for you being even able to get this far. You see, you're already becoming a developer, because it's very important for you to have knowledge of JavaScript for the dynamic nature of the website. So now you can just see how pop are being created, the alerts, right? So you can just input any name. Let me put Victor Mike. Victor Mike. Let's see how it will go. You can see Victor Mike, it has converted it and the first three, and see how everything played out. So it's not that difficult. It's very, very interesting. You can see, you can go over the code and practice and just see the process by which we solve this problem. So we started from the basis, we followed it through, and we arrived at our answer. So this will be all for this video. Please watch out for the next video. Have a great day.